today. We have our newest repatriots coming in today, all the way from Barbados.
Caribou, caribou. You made it. We made it. We made it.
Your room.
Okay, let me get the dance on.
Ta-da!
Now, who doesn't love coming home to a home already done? Already
Did you
done.
capture me?
And I didn't get stamped.
There you go. That's right.
In her room.
Oh, I love it. It's so nice. Oh, now that's great. I love this. It's absolutely. I love it too.
Okay, so there's no elevators? Only stairs. There's no elevators. Mm-mm. Yeah. Oh, wow. Yeah, we definitely got to do a 4x6 bed. This is smaller than yours. That's the bathroom. And this is the view. The view of other apartments.
Right. Oh, that's another, like the storage area.
Not a storage, it's a laundry area.
A laundry.
For the laundry machine.
Yes, one, see?
Skinny
No, we have two.
washing machine. And the stove for the hood. The kitchen is cute.
This one is 35,950. Yeah, that 5,950.
35,000?
950, so
Oh, rent. Yeah.
35,000.
No.
So that's about 300.
If it's buying,
All right, so we are headed to see some other apartments for different clients. Our client, she wants Tatu City, and that's great. But I want to give an honest opinion about, for me, what I think about Tatu City. And I understand the concept. I understand the eco system that they got created, and you know, the tight security system they have. and the traffic, you
Stay
don't.
focused.
Okay, but I understand all of that. But for me, I need scenery. You know, I need beauty, and Kenya is so beautiful, and it's like out there it feels like a dry desert, and it's hotter out there. The land is flat out there, and it just feels like a dry, dusty desert. And then the apartments, it's like the windows are like little cutouts, you know, and it's like it just doesn't seem like you're going to get much sunlight. And they have the apartments facing another apartment, and you know I don't like that. And so I kind of get this prison feeling, and it's just eerie to me. It's like bothered me for overnight. It really bothered me, just the feeling of it, the energy of it. But what did you get from it? What did you think?
Well, for me, it's too far out.
Mm-hmm.
It's just too far out. I'm thinking about if something happens, an emergency,
Mm-hmm.
how long is it going to take somebody to get to me if, you know,
Yeah.
if something happens.
Yeah.
And I like seeing the trees and the flowers and the beautiful colors here in Kenya. And it's not, I don't see any of that in Tatu City. And for me, that's mental health. Like, that's a part of your mental health, being able to see nature. That's why I'm here. You know what I
Yeah.
mean? To be able to see the nature and to see
Yeah.
plants and
And to feel like
I feel like and
feel
it's so
you're
s-
at peace. It needs to have a peaceful feeling, and you don't get that. You don't get that peaceful feeling.
and it's small.
Very small. It feels like the size of a prison cell for the 1 bedrooms of a prison cell with a little extra.
But I do get it. They have, like, you know, they're trying to build it up to where you don't have to go anywhere.
Yeah, like
You just stay
stay
on
there
the property.
because you have to literally stay there.
Yeah.
Uber's not going to come there. Like they will come.
They
You're going
do.
to pay a lot just to come into the regular city. You're going to pay a lot.
But they have like a store, barber shop. They have like a medical center, a bank. I can see the potential of it, but if you're you know, like to explore like we do,
Mm-hmm.
that ain't the place.
Mm-mm. If you're looking for energy, I mean, you're going past the federal, the largest prison system in there. I think you said federal prison, right?
No, he said high maximum security.
Maximum security prison. Federal's U.S. Okay. Maximum security prison.
Mm-hmm.
And then next to the prison, further down, maybe a half a mile, you got an international school. And I'm like, it's not working for me.
But for somebody who does, you know, just wants to come
An introvert completely. Like they just
Yeah.
want to stay inside.
work from home.
Work from home. Exactly. That's what I was going to say.
Yeah.
Because
and it's-
global ain't going to work out there. You're not
Yeah.
ordering no Uber Eats out there.
Yeah.
Mm-mm.
And if they just want to just focus on their budget, they're not going to really go a whole lot of places.
Yeah.
Just to maybe just get their footing here. Yeah, you know, I recommend that, I guess, but to each his own. You know what I mean? Everybody have their idea of how they want to live in Africa
Yeah.
when
But
they get here.
for recommendation, like I can't give a recommendation for our clients. Now, if you just have to go out there, you just want to, you don't mind being in the closet. If you want it by the feds, you know,
You crazy.
you can hide out there. You can definitely hide out there, but it's a no for me. No for you?
I mean, if it's not a yes, I guess it's a no.
It's a no.
So, our honest opinion coming to you live.
Coming to your life. That's the honest review. I see all the YouTube videos of how amazing Tatu City is, but
I didn't see the amazement.
I've never seen the amazement, and we've been to a couple spots over there, and it feels like a punishment. Like you go out there because you're being punished.
And it's not even about, you know, people being bougie or anything like that. Because I've lived in different kinds of places since I've been here in Africa. I've lived in different areas, from the lower areas to the higher, and it's just I wouldn't want to stay out there, and I wouldn't recommend a single woman
No.
living out there alone either. So
Or a family, because you want to have a quality of life for children. And even though they got playgrounds, That's not no quality of life. Like Nairobi is so amazing. Or so many other little cities and towns in Kenya is so amazing. That's not one of them.
And then I'm thinking, like, by the time, okay, the rent is lower.
Yeah.
But by the time you catch an Uber,
Mm-hmm.
you having to go here, you're going to wind up spending the money.
The
that you could've
transportation is going to be spent.
Just, yeah, you could have just moved closer
Mm-hmm.
and got a, got an apartment to
Yeah.
have all the, to be near everything.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
So.
So that's our honest opinion. Tatu City, 1 star.
Yeah.
So we annoyed because why did we have to stop at a stop sign that we'd never seen and count 20 seconds? You have to stop for 20 seconds
At the stop sign.
or they give you a ticket.
So just know that moving to Tatu City, you better stop at these stop signs and
20 seconds.
or you're gonna have to pay a fine.
A whole $7.
I don't like that.
$7 on dollars.
$7. Greetings, beautiful ones. I am Sharifa with ARS to Africa, and today we're doing something a little different. We have 2 beautiful women with us today. We have our newest repat who we just relocated from California. We have Sharon, the beautiful Sharon. Hey Sharon, how are you? I'm pretty good. Amazing. I'm amazing, thank you. And we also have the amazing Sheba. She's doing our investigative tour. I'm sorry, you guys. We do so much. We do investigative tours. We do real estate tours. We do so many different kind of tours that yeah, we have a lot going on. And so today we're going to talk to them, ask them a few questions, just to get a feel of their stay here and what they, and their move, all that good stuff. All right.